This video will show you how to retrofit your existing 4-foot fluorescent strip with the SYLVANIA Retrofit LED strip. First, make sure the power is turned off. Remove the existing lamps. Remove the ballast cover. Disconnect the quick connect. Cut the leads on both sides of the ballast. Remove the sockets. Install the end pieces. One method is being demonstrated here. Please refer to the installation guide for alternative methods. Attach the safety straps to the bottom of the fixture. Apply the information label identifying the fixture as having been modified for LED lamps. Secure the fixture to the safety straps. Attach the ground wire. Reconnect the quick connect. If 0 to 10 volt dimming is desired, hook the purple and gray wires to the incoming dimming wires. Remove the lens. Install the fixture with the spring clips using a 1/4 turn. Install the lens. Center the lens in the channel to prevent light leaks. Turn power on to the fixture. Enjoy long-lasting light from your new SYLVANIA Retrofit strip.